In a sunlit office, a spill of loose papers triggers a tiny avalanche as a careful reminder to secure stacks and tidy desks before a sprint to the camera. In a bright kitchen, a sneeze erupts flour into the air, reminding creators to wipe hands and ventilate to keep shoots clean. In a gym, a bold lift goes sideways, prompting a laugh and a warning to use proper form and a trusted spotter. On a bustling bus, a forgot bag drags along passport and snacks, teaching the value of a pre-departure check. At a party, the toppled decorations spark smiles, and a quick calm rescue teaches restaging with grace.